Ka Subroto Cup U-17 boys. Kala Leit Sha Jylla Manipur hadien bagi nongialehkai ka Meghalaya kila Sha pynjem khnap haba nongshut penalty haka sudden death ula kynjat ya ka ball Shabar na dieng-goal. Ka jingialehkai Subroto Cup madan ka nongbah New Delhi kala long ka ba itynnat bat ka ba shongshit naduh basdang haduh mandapoi ka second bakhatduh. Ka jingialehkai kala long ka ba iabiang bor baroh liang. Kati Meghalaya kalayo buon kilat ki kabu ban pynbam ya ka Manipur. Hynrei kinong tap goal pynjem la pendan kam ya ka iabiang bat kila ailat palat tang ya ki kynjat ban kawang bol. Tap buon ki kep ban tap goal kila serwa shale air ni sha jengai na kajar. Kaba kam ithamula shushu kalong haduh sausin kinong alehkai ka Meghalaya kila shoot Shabar ningat haka jingiada jong goalkeeper haka penalty kick. Ka Manipur kelak kerthiau bat pynjem khnap ya ka Meghalaya da san ko lasau bat ra thiau ya ka Subroto Cup Sha Impal.
The game here is incredible for the fans. Floated in a header as well. The chance for Manipur to take the lead. Then please, from the set piece, a little fumble in the box. And guess what? We have a team in the lead. And Namtikong is the goal scorer. The number 7 has given Manipur a precious, golden, glittering goal. And the first goal in this finale. Such a crucial one it'll turn out to be. And look at that. Initially the defense blocked the attempt. But then the fumble, a little error. It wasn't cleared away in time. It fell kindly to the feet of Namtikong. And Frankie's corner has to be praised too. So precise. The header should have gone in, but the defender made the block. But here's a chance for Meghalaya on the other side. The angle is difficult. He still goes for the shot. He's appealing for the corner. And there's the confirmation of the goal scorer, Namtikong, giving Manipur the lead. Here's a chance now from...
Hello.
It is always difficult for the keeper if it goes towards you with a bounce. Another attempt from the right. The cross comes in. And now at the edge of the box. The looping header, flick back. And that has gone in. But the referee has awarded a penalty, it seems. Oh, Meghalaya appeal, but in vain because the penalty was awarded before that. A decision to be made here.
Oh, there we go. Red card has been issued to the captain, and I think, if I'm not wrong, we will see the replay. I think he used his hands to stop the ball from going into the net. We've seen this happen in football before, and perhaps because of the handball, the penalty was given before itself. I'm sure we will know soon enough as the referees issued the red card.
Oh, that is a big blow because your captain and a centre-back going off. But Meghalaya do have a case because they were getting the goal. It went in. We'll have a look at it again. Fine looking cross from the right. And this was the looping header. Closer glance at it. The captain just... I'm not sure what exactly was the issue. It went in and they were claiming the goal. They have a penalty. But Manipur are a man down.
Indeed, and perhaps from this angle, oh, there we go. We could see his reaction to that. He did stretch his arm out, which is why the referee saw it, and a rightful red card, one can say. That is a good call from the referee, and now a penalty. More importantly, an opportunity for Meghalaya to equalize here, Vaswar.
Indeed. And it is one number 7 was scored. Another number 7 ready to bring his team back, but can he? Alistair is ready. Meghalaya to come back off the post. The attack is still on. But what a story here. It's still 1-0 in favour of Manipur. They're a man down. But Meghalaya have missed the opportunity from the penalty and now a corner.
My hand is still on my head, Vaswar. How did he not put that one away? He got the side right. He beat the keeper. Keeper going the other way, but not hitting the target. Just hitting the post, and that's got to hurt. That's got to pinch for Meghalaya because it was the perfect circumstance. Had they equalized there, it was them against. So that the last match in this year's Subroto Cup is going to be decided on penalties.
Oh, it goes right till the very end, and the very last possible decider in a football match, which is the penalty shootout. So that makes it interesting that you could not separate the two finalists. That's how good they have been. And of course it is a moment that all the players, the youngsters, have to keep their nerves on. It is a chance for Manipur, who will be taking the first shot, and a test for the captain Wanpli Malang. He had made a fantastic save at the starting moments of the game. But can he do it again? It will be a task for Alex to convert. And it is a moment in history books which they would want to create. Here is Alex. A powerful shot. And no mistake. It's one in favor of Manipur.
Indeed. And that's good to see the players often taking the first shot, holding their nerve, going hard at the goal and converting it, and a good advantage to start with for Manipur in this game. And they will look to captivate on this lead at this point of the match. And here comes the second shot. This was the previous one, which was very well taken. The whistle is blown, and Meghalaya will look to make things level. Oh, he's at the crossbar. He misses, and this seems to be a trend. The first penalty just hits the woodwork for Meghalaya.
Would you believe it? The same side of the pitch, and they've hit the post again. Meghalaya, goal scoring luck from the spot has been missing. They should have really converted. So now Manipur have the advantage. Tried to be too precise once again. And while Manipur have a chance to increase the margin here.
Here comes the second shot for Manipur. They will look to add on to that advantage. The keeper didn't even move. All he could do is watch the ball go past him.
And look who has stepped up. Wanpli Malang. He can turn a hero. He can become the villain. Here's a chance. Oh, he has missed. Well. Manipur will celebrate. They are the champions of the junior boys under 17 category of the 63rd edition of the Subroto Cup International Tournament. And what a way to decide. It went right down to penalties. And we finally have a winner. Both these teams have played well. Both of them have worked hard. But at the end, it is Manipur who have the last mile.
Goodness gracious, that's all I can say. What a match of football. And the emotions, the mix of emotions, we can see one team celebrating what they thoroughly deserve, and at the same time a team that perhaps didn't deserve a moment like this. All of them on the grounds, not able to take it all in, because they fought till the very end. They were trailing up until the end of the game. They equalized, and here in the penalty shootout, at sudden death, having to face defeat has got to hurt.
Down. Ball.